the Volkswagen Tiguan. Guys, I am in Udaipur to drive this one, Volkswagen's next offering for the Indian compact premium SUV market. It's not going to be a sub 4 meter compact, but yeah, otherwise the compact market. Here there are 3 other color options on display. That one, this one, and of course a silver right there. This is not going to be a review or a walk around review. Opinions are completely embargoed, so I'll only be showing you the vehicles from the outside and the inside. This one has a few accessories, but yeah, no opinions allowed on the design, on the interiors, on the features or anything else. Gaadi mein kal chalaane wala hu, so that review will go live once the embargo lifts off. Details about the embargo lifting off are in the description section below. So yes, we'll start with this one. This is not going to be a standard vehicle, but इसमें कुछ accessories हैं. Again, I'll not be listing out the accessories, but I'll give you a 360 view of the vehicle. We all know it's going to have a petrol engine, couple of petrol engines. So specifications जो पता है हमें, I can still divulge into that. But apart from that, I can't tell you how it looks to me, how the interiors feel to me. Drive मैं कल करूँगा. So I'll just go to a back distance to show you how this looks like. Remember, as we know, this is going to be in the same category as the Skoda Kushaq or the Hyundai Creta or the Kia Seltos. उसी segment के अंदर ये गाड़ी आने वाली है. Launch is going to be very soon, possibly in this month itself in August. Currently in Udaipur, so this is a resort. We're staying on the outskirts. We have some crew working around for the evening dinner, so please excuse me for that. The front end is how it looks like. Again, इसमें add-ons ज़रूर हैं जो standard fit में नहीं होने वाली, but this is how the car looks from the front. A lower angle, and I definitely want to know what you feel about the vehicle in the comment section below. Is it good? Is it striking? Is it sober? Is it mature? Please let me know in the comment section below. Official मुझे इसका color नहीं पता है. It looks in a shade of red, and the alloy wheels, I'll get you a closer look. And this one particular is wearing Goodyear tires. We all know the specifications, 17-inch alloy wheels, and you have this chrome strip on the side as well. If I go up for this vehicle, just to show what a customer can do, we have a mountain bike on the roof rails. The other car over there has the normal roof rails. इसके अंदर one up है यहाँ पे, which you can make out. The shark fin antenna and the rear of the Tiguan. Volkswagen already has the Tiguan All-Space. It's a 7-seater in the premium category towards the Endeavour and the Fortuner. This one is going to be lower. And do let me know if you like this black running strip at the back. The car is open, so I can show you how it looks. And just to show you the luggage space, again, not putting out any details on the liters, but the luggage space with 3 suitcases. There is a split for the rear, 60-40 split, and of course your parcel tray from the back, and a lower angle just for you to make out. Guys, I need your support. Let me know how you feel this car looks in the comment section below. When I saw the car in Goa for the first time, the interiors were not showcased. We only had a look of the exteriors, but this time around the interiors are open to the media houses. This is how it looks like. Safe to say ये एक top end model है, top end version है, so it is fully loaded. The flat bottom steering, speedometer console. This showcases the central storage spaces, your climate control, and your touchscreen infotainment. What all the touchscreen will offer will give me a few days till the embargo is lifted. I can possibly give you a better opinion on that. But for now, this is what I can show you. And I'll open the second door as well. I don't know how the seats have been positioned for what height, but this is how the rear leg space and the transmission tunnel looks like. The charging outlets. So yeah, I'm only going to tell you what you see in the video, nothing else. This is the central armrest. Again, this one has a few accessories like this one and that. So this is what customers can possibly purchase from the showroom level. The spoiler comes in here, and you have these manual sun blinds on the left side on the second row windows. This has branding, by the way. Volkswagen branding is visible. Yep. You do have a armrest also, so storage space for your understanding, and space over here for your knickknacks. The charging outlets. This one is a 6-speed manual. So I'll just close this door. I'm done with this one. I'll now go on to the silver, which is, I think, without accessories, without add-ons. This one is in a shade of red. A close-up of the headlights coming your way. Branding. I'll close this door. The push button start comes on the left side, in case you want to know. No, this one has a key. So I'll pause the video over here and I'll go to the next one. Okay, I won't pause it. This is where the official dinner will take place today, and that one is a silver one. You can easily make out the difference between the red and the silver. We are not told what models are these. Are these the top ends? Are these the mid versions? But this one has a request sensor over here, and this one has a push button start. So possibly this is a higher version as compared to the one you saw, push button start. So the red one is not a top end version, but the silver one over here is definitely a top end version. Similar interiors and similar color combination on the interiors. Same 17-inch alloy wheels. Even this one has Goodyear tires. And the profile of the vehicle from a distance looks like this. A lot of people, when I went to Goa, when they saw the car, they had questions. They weren't really happy with the design, but now you can make out, and you can tell me in the comment section below if the car looks nice for the segment or not. Volkswagen is known to make cars which have an understated appeal. So I'm leaving that on to you. And these are the bonnet lines, the bonnet curves you can make out. That's the sunroof and the roof rails. Sorry for this. You can make out the 60-40 split, which was not seen on the red one because we had luggage. So this is the boot space for the Taycan. And closes as well using this. From a distance, this is how the silver looks like, silver with chrome and black elements. And now I'll go on to the third color option, which is on the stage. Official color option mujhe pata nahi hai, but I'll take you to the stage now. This one is done. Just wait for the next 10 seconds. We'll walk to the stage. So dynamic and bold is what Volkswagen is using to market the Taycan. Dynamic comes in over here and bold comes in over there. And that is where the third option is here, color option. We'll let them clean the car. I'll not get too close, but you can make out how this color looks like. Now this is something different than the other two because it is the GT version, and GT will have a few differentiating elements which I can see right now. The red caliper, for example, the tire size remains same, but you have the red caliper. This is the front end. I'll try to see if the interiors have any differences. I'll not disturb the team who are cleaning the car right now. So I think this thing remains common across all the versions, the black and red. The GT might be reserved for the 1.5 TSI. Nothing confirmed from the company, but it might be reserved for the 1.5 TSI. They're cleaning the wheels for the night. No disturbance, please. And I'll open this to show you the interiors. I'll take this out. Yeah, so you do see hints of red color coming in because the door is open now. The boot door is open. You see that? That could be one of the few differentiating elements in the GT version. Yeah, so back to the other one, the red one. Once again, the date for the embargo, when the video goes live, the actual review video is mentioned in the description section below. But for now, the shade of red, the silver, and the shade of goldenish yellow, whatever you call it. I want to hear from you guys what you think about the Taygun, how it looks right now. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is a purely voice video, no music, no editing. I'm speaking to you right away behind the camera. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.